Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 16.2, and in this question it is given that if this is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? You will find that there are two answers for the last problem. Why is this so? Okay, now I have already discussed what is the meaning of multiple. Means if I am saying 16 is a multiple of 4, means 16 must be divisible by 4 completely. Means there must be no remainder. This can be cancelled 4 times and there is no remainder. So 16 is considered as a multiple of 4. Similarly, if I am saying that 31z5 is a multiple of 9, means this complete number must be divisible by 9. And we know that the divisibility rule of 9 means we know how to find that a certain number is divisible by 9 or not. To do so, what we have to do is we have to add the given digit in this number, and if the sum of these digits is divisible by 9, so this complete number must also be divisible by 9. So if I add this is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So the sum of digit is 9 plus z, because we don't know the value of z. Okay, now what I have to find is the sum of this which is divisible by 9. So the first number which can be divisible by 9 is 9. The second is 18. 27, 36 and so on. These are the numbers which can be divisible by 9. So I have to make this sum as 9, 18, 27 or 36. So the first case, if I substitute the value of z as 0, then this number will be 9 plus 0. So the sum will be 9, which is exactly divisible by 9. So this is the first case. 3105 will be the first number which is divisible by 9. Similarly, now I have to make this 18. The second number is 18. So if I substitute the value of z here as 9, because there is no need to substitute 2, 3, 4, 5, because we already know that the second number which is divisible by 9 is 18. So I have to make the sum as 18. So this sum can only be 18 when the value of z is 9. Then only 9 plus 9 will be 18, so which is divisible by 9. So the second value of z will be 9. So the second number will be 3195. So this will be the second number. So these are the second number. Now to make the third number which is divisible by 9, that is 27, I have to add 18 here. So that is not possible because z is a single digit. This is given to you that z is a digit. So we cannot add 18 here. That in that case this will become a 2-digit number. So this is not correct. So these will be the two values for which this complete number will be divisible by 9. That is why in this case two answers are possible. I hope you have understood this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can contact us. You can even call us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.